Good morning students. I welcome you all for this video. In today's video, I am going to teach you new poem. Okay, everybody open your English reader to page number. Okay, open your English reader to page number 90. Poem 7, Ice Cream Dream. Poem 7, Ice Cream Dream. Okay, did you all open? Yes. Children, do you all like ice cream? Yes, of course, everybody from small to big children, small ones, or if you ask all older people also, if you ask small children also, everybody likes ice cream, isn't it? Oh, when you hear the name ice cream itself, our tongue starts watering, isn't it, children? Yes. Okay. What kind of an ice cream do you all like? Which flavors do you like the most? Children, everybody will have a favorite ice cream, isn't it? Some will say my vanilla is my favorite flavor, or strawberry. So many, everybody are having different type of taste, isn't it? Yes. So what is your favorite taste or flavors? Which flavors do you like the most? Yes, mostly many of them like vanilla, isn't it? Yes. What do you like to have with your ice cream? Means, do you like to have fruits or nuts? Yes, some will like to have fruits and some will like to have nuts, isn't it, children? Okay, now see this picture. See this picture. Wow, see, these are cone ice, isn't it? Everybody loves. See the attractive colors. Yes, of course. Here in this poem, see, wow, so beautiful. Really, even my tongue starts watering. Even I feel like eating. Yes, after learning this poem, after reading, seeing this video, you can go ask your mom to buy an ice cream for you. Okay? Okay, now coming to our poem. Okay, poem 7, Ice Cream Dream. Okay, in this poem, we'll see the poet. Okay, the poet Ronan Mandrich. We'll see what type of ice cream does this poet likes to have. Okay, what kind of an ice cream the poet wished to have, and what the poet is saying. Okay, in this poem, let's see. I'll read for you. Okay, open your book. See there, or you can see this video. See there. The first stanza. Poem Ice Cream Dream. I have another ice cream, please. Can I have another ice cream, please? Flavored with odd garlic cheese, with just a dash of chili sauce, all covered with strawberry gloss. I'm just kidding. Do you think that I would dare eat something pink? Oh no, I do rather stick with vanilla ice and omit the chili and the spice. Children, I'll read this poem once more. Okay, listen carefully. I'll have another ice cream, please. Flavored with odd garlic cheese, with just a dash of chili sauce, all covered with strawberry gloss. I'm just kidding. Do you think that I would dare eat something pink? Oh no, I do rather stick with vanilla ice and omit the chili and the spice. Here the poet is saying, I'll have another ice cream, please. He's asking, okay, she's asking, can I have another ice cream, please? Okay, see the poem, okay, just imagine she's asking, I'll have the another ice cream, please, but it should be flavored with, okay, she's telling her, it should be flavored with odd garlic cheese. Children, do you know what is a garlic? Okay, I have pencil with you, underline the words. or garlic cheese with just a dash of chili sauce, all covered with strawberry gloss. This girl, no, she's asking the ice cream seller, okay, can I have an ice cream please, flavored with hot garlic. Garlic means sear. This is garlic. Okay, she's asking, I want ice cream flavored with hot garlic cheese. See, can you see this cheese? All covered with strawberry gloss. See the next stanza. See the second stanza. I'm just kidding. Do you think? This child is asking. I'm just kidding. Kidding means joking, just joking. Okay, kidding means joking. She's telling, she's asking the ice cream seller, do you think I'm just joking you? No, that I would dare eat something pink. She's telling, I will eat something pink. Oh no, I rather stick with vanilla ice and omit the chili and the spice. She's telling, I'll eat with vanilla ice and omit. Omit means just leave out. Okay, leave it out. The chill and the spice. See, chili sauce. How many of you like this? Wow, it really it's watering when you see sauce. Can you see the French fries? Yes, she's just imagining and she's telling all this. Okay, okay. Now coming to the third stanza, I'll read. And then I'll have a chocolate cone together with a odd baked scone, with the sprinkling of some rich dry fruit, topped with pista chocks of high repute. And then perhaps an ice cream cake, the kind that Mama loves to make, with fresh coconut underneath, topped with lacy lemon wreath. Children, underline the new words here and see here. I'll explain this. And then I'll have a chocolate cone, okay, chocolate cone together with hot baked scone. See the meanings they've given you. What is a scone? Scone is a type of a cake made from flour, milk and butter. So she's asking, and then I'll have a chocolate cone. Of course, we all like cone ice cream, chocolate cone together with a hot baked scone. With the sprinkling of some rich dry fruit, okay, on the ice cream. Sprinkle means just putting few dry fruits on the ice cream, topped with pista chalks of high repute. Chalks that when you buy ice cream, you can see there is some some pieces of chocolates like pistas, some dry fruits. So she's asking, she's asking the ice cream, and I want an ice cream with the chocolate cone, with hot baked scone, and with the sprinkling of some rich dry fruits, topped with pistos of high repute. High repute means with high quality, good quality. Okay, see a chocolate cone. Yeah, see this is the chocolate cone. This is called sprinkling of, see on the top they are sprinkled. Okay, few nuts. She's asking to sprinkle some rich dry fruits, topped with pistos of high repute. Okay, coming to the next. See here. See the next poem. Okay, and perhaps an ice cream cake that kind of that Mama loves to make, with fresh coconut underneath. Yes, children, look into your book. Yes, I'm reading the fourth stanza. Okay, and then perhaps an ice cream cake. Okay, see this is an ice cream cake, that kind that Mama loves to make. This girl's Mama always, she loves to make cake, it seems, with fresh coconut underneath. Okay, in the cake underneath means down there will be some layers of coconut. Okay, topped with lacy lemon wreath. See here on the top, can you see on the top lemon? Okay, laced, topped with the lacy lemon wreath. Yes, okay. Then coming to the fifth stanza. And what about a mango stick, a pop slice for me to lick, that bring happiness to my heart, bought from the street slide lolly caught. Okay, and she says, and what about a mango stick? Okay, we were saying cone ice, isn't it? Now the poet, the girl, is talking about the stick ice, mango stick. A pop slice is a company branded one, okay, a good quality one, ice creams for me to lick. Lick means what, children? Just licking with your tongue. If some ice cream means, how we will eat? We will not eat our ice cream, we will just lick our ice cream, isn't it? Sometimes cup ice and all we eat with the spoon, and the stick ice we just lick it. Okay, a pop slice for me to lick, that brings happiness to my heart. See, this girl is telling, that brings, she feels so happy. Okay, bought from the street side lolly caught. Okay, in the night time, okay, even now during summer time, you can see some people, they're selling ice cream on the roads. Okay, like kulfi, isn't it? They come in the night time. That is called street side lolly caught. Okay, see here, these are the stick ice creams. Here she loves to lick them. Okay, that brings happiness to her heart. Can you see a pop slice? Yes, this is the original brand. She likes this, brought from the street side lollycot. Coming to the last two lines, children, this is the lollycot, okay, which they push on the roads. Okay, you can buy ice cream from here. See the next two lines. Dipped in honey, laced with cream. Ooh, how I love this ice cream dream. She's telling again, ice cream, how it will be when you dip ice cream in honey. Yes, laced means on the top with cream. Oh, I love this ice cream dream. This is the dream. Means this girl imagines how the ice cream should be. Okay, how the ice cream should be. See here, now she is imagining that the ice cream should be dipped in honey. Can you see here? Yes, it's honey ice cream is dipped, means they are put inside honey, laced with cream. On top you can see some cream. Oh, I love this ice cream dream. What a imagination, isn't it? This girl has so many imaginations of ice cream. Yes, children, even we love to eat ice creams. Okay, so everybody loves this ice cream. So read this poem again and again and try to understand and underline the new words and learn the meanings from here. First 10 lines, okay, learn first 10 lines. This is your memory poem. First 10 lines are the memory poem you can learn when you are free. Okay, children, till then I hope you all would have enjoyed this poem. Okay, now you can tell your mama and dada to buy an ice cream for you also, and have a jolly day, have a happy day. Thank you, children. Take care. Bye.